Assalamu alaikum, I am Almuqtadir Abir, and in this tutorial I will cover change detection using Landsat imagery in ArcGIS, and I will be using two images acquired over Sylhet, Bangladesh to evaluate changes in a year. First, you have to download these images before starting the tutorial, and you will learn to measure the differences like before and after flood or forest fire, and monitoring the forest vegetation. So check my previous videos if you don't know how to download this data. So after downloading both images, open ArcMap with a new map document. So now we are going to add data from our folder, and this images is from 2019 01 30 13 31 to 60, and January 16 to 31 2019, and I'm going to add these data from 2019 here, and I have another picture, and that is 2020 and 01 19 to 28, and you can see the both images are collected in January. So let's add this data from here too, and you can see these two data are added in here, and now we can examine the differences between them visuals by selecting one of them in the image analysis window, and you can see the swipe button is now available, and click here and you can see the differences from these two images. Just drag this swipe button. We can also quantify the differences between these layers by using the difference tool on specific bands. Make sure we are comparing the same band from each date. So I'm going to add another band here, and let's add band 5, that is near infrared. That's from 2020, and let's add from 2019. So we have now two bands from here, that is one is from 2020 and one is from 2019. So select these two bands by holding down your control key on keyboard, and you can measure the differences by clicking here. So you can see the new image has a range of value between positive to negative, and a value of 0 mean there is no difference between the two dates, and the more change between the two dates, the further the value diverges from 0. We can also change the symbology on the difference layer for more clarity. Right click here and go to properties. Let's change the color ramp here, and I am choosing a diverging color ramp like this one, and hit the apply and click OK. And also you can remove this background from here. So you can see here the value closer to positive 1 is getting red, and the value is closer to the negative 1 is getting green here. And now we can see areas with high positive and negative changes, and it's important to think about the time of year and the area of study when using any change detection method. And both of my pictures are from January, that is winter season in Bangladesh, so the differences from our vegetation is quite less, and we can zoom in a little bit more to see it clearly. And you can see here, we can see the changes in here. So here's appear it's seems green and red combination here, and we can also see the differences from this swipe button. Let's see. So that's how we can measure differences from two different times. So you have learned the change detection method using ArcGIS, and the next video will be the supervised and unsupervised classification of Lancet 8 imagery. So stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please like, comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you.